Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the StarkStarter token. Now this token is about to start their public pre-sale on pinksale.finance in about half a day or so as of uploading this video. I am going to leave a link down there in the description box and in the comment section to this pre-sale so you guys can go check it out. Right now they're trending number 8. People are anticipating this pre-sale. They have a SAFU badge, audit, KYC. This token's on the Binance Smart Chain. No whitelist needed. And big liquidity lock. Name of the token is StarkStarter, all one word, and that is also the ticker symbol. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token is about to start their pre-sale in about half a day or so. Pre-sale is going to start February 17th at 16:30 UTC time. And it's going to run until February 20th, 16:30 UTC time. There's no hard cap on this pre-sale. So basically, it's just going to go for 3 days. Soft cap is 50 BNB. Initial market cap estimate is $29,132. There's 18 decimal places on this token. A total supply of 5 million tokens. Now it says the future of app chains on StarkNet. Now, if you don't know what StarkNet is, I just did a video on StarkNet and their coin that just got listed on MEXC Global, so check out that video. Now it says multi-chain Web3 ecosystem scaling app chains on StarkNet. Bridging IBC via ICS-10. Infinite slots, EVM support, StarkNet restaking and tooling. Integrates Chainlink VRF to secure StarkNet's NFT platform. Our platform offers features including smart contracts, instant asset exchange, reduced operational costs, Web3 functions, horizontal scalability, build powerful apps secured by StarkStarter. Like I said, they have a SAFU badge, they have a full audit by Revolution, and they also have a KYC, which means that their team was doxed to verify who they are. They've been trending in the top 12 for a while here. Right now they're trending number 7. They have a Discord, Medium, Telegram, Facebook, Twitter, webpage. All those are linked on PinkSale. And their token metrics allocation pie chart here says 25% of the tokens go to pre-sale. 14.7% of the tokens go to liquidity. 15% of the tokens go to marketing. 13% go to app chain rewards, 10% foundation, 10% initial security, 8% team, and 3.8% going to airdrop for StarkNet users, and just a tiny little sliver, 0.5% of the tokens are unlocked. Now, if you end up missing this pre-sale, first of all, hit subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of these new tokens. But second of all, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to PancakeSwap for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with a Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding Pancake Swap, and then trading your BSC for this token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, StarkStarter.foundation. Now, you may have to set slippage if there is taxes in the tokenomics, but we'll try to find that on their webpage here in a second. And liquidity will be locked on PRESALE for 365 days. Now, their Telegram is at StarkStarter. 4,142 members on the Telegram. That's a great place to find updates and stuff. Then they also have tons of Medium articles you can check out. And just scrolling through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 articles already that you can check out on Medium. Their Twitter, as always, I'm going to put in the corner of the screen over there, has a link to their webpage on that Twitter as well. At the StarkStarter, 134 posts, 2,616 followers. So check out their Twitter there. And then their webpage is going to have a ton of info as well, along with a roadmap. So it says StarkNet L2s plus ZK rollups, a crypto network for launching and running Web3 app chains. StarkStarter provides a framework for constructing StarkNet-based app chains using zero-knowledge technology. StarkStarter lets users customize app chains to meet their needs. Everything STRK needs, and that's the ticker symbol for the StarkNet coin. So it says true interoperability. StarkStarter harnesses the power of the Cairo VM, a Turing-complete language that enables the creation of verifiable programs for general computation. It says Madeira as a sequencer tailored. Madeira handles the sequencing process, supporting methods for simple FC, FS, and PGA to complex ones like Narwhal and Bullshark. It also manages the mempool, a critical data structure that holds unconfirmed transactions. Developers can choose the consensus protocol through Madeira's use of Substrate, which offers multiple built-in operations. Utilize Cairo VM. Furthermore, Cairo-based systems are already operational on the Ethereum mainnet, demonstrating their readiness for the real-world production use. So why would you build app chains on StarkStarter? Well, StarkStarter boosts StarkNet validity rollup scalability. They offer security, and they have the architecture on here, execution, settlement, sequencing, data availability. It's flexible, it's open, interoperable, future-proof. And yeah, so then it goes over the tokenomics. We pretty much went over all that. It doesn't say anything about taxes or anything, so you probably won't have to worry about slippage. But, you know, if you do buy this token later on or sell it later on, you had to set slippage, you could always leave a comment down there telling people what it was to help people out. But I am going to leave a link to this pre-sale down there in the comment section and description box if you want to go check it out. There is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box as well. Check those out. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.